First, make sure that the leakage protection circuit breaker is disconnected. Loosen the waterproof terminal protection cover under the leakage protection switch, and thread the ground cable into the waterproof terminal. Loosen the screws of the leakage protection switch with a cross screwdriver. Insert the copper core of the crimped cable into the wiring hole at the lower end of the switch. Tighten the screws and tighten the protective cover of the incoming cable waterproof joint. Unscrew the screws of the grounding plate with a cross screwdriver. Then press the ground wire terminal into the zero-row screw and tighten the screw. Confirm that the main circuit breaker is disconnected. Thread the grounding cable into the waterproof terminal on the left of the upper chamber knife switch. Remove the cover of the knife brake. Loosen the screws of the knife brake with a cross screwdriver. Insert the copper core of the crimped cable into the wiring hole at the upper end of the knife switch. Tighten the screws and restore the cover of the knife brake. Unscrew the grounding bar with a cross screwdriver. Then press the ground wire terminal into the zero-row screw and tighten the screw. Unscrew the cover of the electric energy meter and connect 485 positive and 485 negative to it respectively. The other end of the communication cable is connected to the part of the communication module and connected to the distribution box. Turn the wiring inside and outside the distribution box gently by hand to ensure that the wiring is firm. Switch on the electric circuit breaker. Check whether the upper end hole of the knife switch on the main side of the distribution box is charged with the AC voltage gear of the climb meter. Close the upper knife test switch. Check whether the display screen of the electric energy meter is charged. Measure whether the voltage at the upper end of the lower test knife switch is the same as the mains power with the AC voltage gear of the pincer meter. Close the knife switch of the lower chamber, and the special circuit breaker for photovoltaic will be closed automatically if it is charged. Close the grounding air switch and leakage protection circuit breaker. Use the voltage gear of the pincer meter to measure whether the voltage at the lower end of the leakage protection switch is the same as the mains voltage. Connect one end of the USB to RS485 interface device to the computer.